Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in with me today at the Jordan Hour. Tonight, I'm going to try something a little different. I wanted you guys to be with me while I prepared a healthy meal. And yeah, that's basically it. So, I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook today, start to finish. It's not necessarily healthy 100%, but I'm just going to make a steak and some little baby potatoes. So, I'll show you guys everything step by step. Starting now. So first things first, I have these petite white gourmet potatoes. Right now I am just washing them. Let's just wash all of those off. And I'm only cooking for myself, so I'll probably only use a few more. Yeah, looks about right. Just a few more. They're green, adorable. Next, I'm just going to slice them in halves. So that way they're easier to cook through and they don't take as long. I'm just cutting in half. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. But we're just going to slice those bad boys up. Okay, so now we got everything all sliced up. What we're going to do, what I already did is I put some cooking oil. Now I usually would use olive oil, but that's all I have right now. And I have the oven preheated to 350. So we're about to get this show on the road. Before we do too much else, let's go ahead and get this bad boy seasoned. Because I do want it to taste a certain way, like really good, really well seasoned, etc. So we're going to go ahead and throw in a couple of main things. And let me show you all what I'm going to use. I want that. We got garlic salt, onion powder, seasoning salt, black pepper. Oh, and parsley. Yep. Okay. So for potatoes, I really do like to use parsley. I wanted to get some fresh stuff, but the store parsley options were kind of limited. So let me get these kind of mushed in the middle together here so that it seasons evenly. Okay. So we're going to throw the parsley over the top. Nice. Now we're done with that. We're going to use seasoning salt next. Seasoning salt. Bam. And we're just going to sprinkle that. Just one little sprinkle. We don't need a whole lot because we're going to use garlic salt as well. We're going to dash the garlic salt just lightly over the seasoning. And then next we're going to throw some black pepper. Yum. And then onion powder. Now, of course you can do this the correct way and mix it with a spoon or something, but I'd rather just do it the fast way. And just shake, shake, shake. Everything looks pretty well seasoned, at least on one side. So we're going to put this in the oven. The oven's already been preheated to 350. So we'll leave this in here for about 20 minutes. Bye, potatoes. And next we're going to start off with the steak. Okay, so when it comes to the steak, my preference always will be to marinate it. But today I really wanted steak and I don't have time to marinate, so I'm going to just go ahead and go full force with it. This is butter. I like to cook my steak in butter because I just feel like it just gives a better, I don't know, fat taste. Alright, so I got to move fast with the steak here. So first we're going to start off with some garlic salt. And we're just going to cover it on one side. Black pepper. This right here is some Montreal steak seasoning. Again, we're just going to cover everything. And then we'll use some seasoning salt. And then some onion powder. I know it looks hella seasoned, but this is what I do, so I'm just going to show you. Alright, looks like this side already had a little bit of time to cook, so it's already a little colored. But I like my steak well done, not medium well, so if it's already a little brown, that's fine. Alright, more garlic salt. More seasoning salt. Now be aware, I'm not using as much as it looks like here. I don't believe in salting too heavy now. I don't want it to taste like a salt lick. With this Montreal steak seasoning, I am a heavy shaker with that bad boy because I know what it can do. Some more pepper. And then some onion powder for this side. Alright. I have it kind of right before medium. We'll let this cook for a little while and then we'll come back.